Today unboxing video of Nintendo DSi XL Mario Edition, which came out in 2010, and I saw this one on AdWords. It's an Irish online website. A fellow he want to sell on €125, and to be honest, I was looking for this one, for this DS XL for around a year or two, like to get a brand new one, but finally I got it from there. You wanna search on eBay because it's a special edition, a Mario edition, so they cost around €400 or $400. I think someone sell from Australia or Canada, I think. So I think that's the next thing. Like, I go for 125 for, to be honest, very cheap. So just start the unboxing, and I'm very happy, to get this one. And you can see the packages, they're nicer. So now he claimed this is a brand new one, so we have to see, is that real or not. Yeah, great package. So this is, yeah, I'll see again after around 8 years. I had this in 2010, and then I changed with 3DS when it came out in 2011. So I think it was one of my, I would say, disaster to change with 3DS, like. So that's the box, and you can see there is a Mario, Super Mario Bros. As well, and yeah, it's a new. So now let's see what is there. Oh. Even you can see it's sealed, I thought like it didn't, but it's sealed. I have to open it. The best console I think I ever seen. That's nice. There's a copy of Super Mario Bros. Not to be sold separately. So I don't know why he keeps brand new for around 8 years, so that guy, like, I got this one from him, so I love it. This is the manual of 2010. You can see we Nintendo DSi, the club, Nintendo Club, Flip Studio, so that's all the manual. Back to 2010. Yeah. That's all, guys. It is self DSi XL Mario Edition. Love it. Stylish. No memory card. There's a charger, and there's a pin stylus. I think it's now it's turning on. So after download games to my R4, which I got online with 16 gig memory, and because I don't want to open this, so it should be stay the same. And even like you can download lots of free games from online. So I think that's a nice thing with R4. And even I try online games, like to play with other people who play online, but I think they closed the server, so you can't play anymore. So I think that's the bad thing, because they stopped it. I think like 3DS it came out in 2011, so definitely they will stop this one because they want more focus on 3DS rather than DS. So that's why they probably they stopped it. So I did few stages as well, and to be honest, it's very addictive. I was playing this and I was there for around 2 hours to playing and I wasn't bored because I love it. It's one of the best games of its own time. At the first, like for me the quality of screen, it was something is different, or it looked like not HD quality of this game, but because nowadays you have a 3DS or even you have a mobile phone, so the quality of the screen is very nice. So in the first you will see like this different, but we will play for around 2-3 times and then back to normal. So like you can see, the best game, which I think came out in 2006. Best memory, especially this one, Big Mario. Oh god, I'll leave it. So if you want to change the game, just you have to press the power button and go back there. And the special one, like especially the Mario Kart. I think the best game. I played a lot, especially when you play the, like with your friend, or like the people who have other DS, like multiplayer. I think that's one of the nice, and still I prefer to play the multiplayer. So those few games I downloaded, but again, and yeah, one thing I noticed, because I checked online store, so it wasn't work. It was work, but there is no games, nothing. So it means like you can't download anything from online, the store of this DSi. So that's why I don't like to buy games online. Especially I love to buy a copy of games, because like you can play if there is internet, or there is no internet. So I think that's the bad thing online stuff. So I have Mario Party, McDonald's, I think FIFA and cricket. So that's all game, but I don't want to play because I don't want to do more. So just I want to show you like how the DS look like. So that's it. It was a old memory, especially like because it came out in 2010. You can see it's Mario Super Mario Bros 25th Anniversary. And so I think I should, like, it wasn't a good idea to try with the 3DS, which came a useless after that. I never used 3DS, and I gave it to my cousin because it wasn't that nice. So that's why I love DSi, especially the special edition or XL. So that's it for today. I hope you like my video, and please like, subscribe and share. if you like it. And if you didn't like my video, so please mention in the comment, and also tell me like where is the problem, so I will work on that place. So please comment as well. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.